Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to walk through how to apply uh, to get approved for sponsorship of a family member for subclass 870. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, sponsored parent, subclass 870. Where a parent of an approved sponsor from Australia can stay 3 or 5 years, or even it can be extended further to 10 years. But the very first thing is that sponsor needs to apply and get approved. So that is what we are going to walk through this video. Just want to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. If you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have logged in into my IMMI account. You're going to go and click on new application. Then here you have this option, sponsorship of a family member. You need to select this. It's going to be a long application. Existing household are limited to one sponsorship or sponsored parent, be that a time before them. Well, currently an approved parent sponsor, I select no. Eligibility. Either sponsor 18 years, yes. For an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or New Zealand, I select yes. Has the sponsor been usually resident in Australia? I select yes. Previously sponsored the parent visa application, I select no. If you have done, definitely select yes. Does the sponsor has a current passport? I select yes. It's gonna ask for the details, but for the purpose of this video, I'm selecting no. Okay. But yeah, definitely if you have, click yes. Because they may even ask you to go for a passport application, right? Just to prove. Definitely do yes if you can. But just for the sample video, I'm doing no. Family name. Of course, I won't be submitting this application. Sure. Mail. Date of birth. I'm just putting a sample. I have a national entry card. I select no, but you should definitely select yes if you have to, because Australia has that, right? Place of birth. I'm just selecting this. Uh, oh, I'm sorry about this. State, country of birth. Victoria. Currently have ever been known by other name. I select no. Madam of mother. I'm just putting some. Yes, so Patricia Smith. Is the sponsor and by birth? I select yes. Does the employer have any other passport document? I select no. Other than no. Has sponsor been a subject of intervention order, including domestic violence order? I select no. You do as per your case. Verify. Correct. Yes, click yes. Click on no. Next. Okay. Address details. Is the postal address same? I select yes. Why not? Country. I'll go for Australia. Address. I'm just doing sample, but you do proper address. Okay. Victoria. Contact telephone number. So in Australia, you have like 9 digits, right? And yeah, let's see if I can go to next. Uh, Sponsor had any residence in the past 10 years? I select no, otherwise they will ask. So how long you have been living here? Of course, you need to provide all the information correctly. So this is just sample video, but in your case, do proper. Authorize. Does the applicant authorize someone in to receive communication? I select no. Electronic communication. Okay, fine. Does I have a current partner in Australia? I select no. But if you have definitely provide that info. How many sibling residing in Australia? I select no. But if you have definitely provide that info, driving license, firearm license, but definitely if you have provide that information because you don't want to lie on your application. Is the visa applicant a parent or sponsor? I select yes. Essential to parent. I select biological parent. Passport details. Okay. Family name, given name John. No, John is his name. So I'll put Peter, his dad's name. Male. Date of birth, I'll make it, let's say, 1972. Sorry. Passport number. Country of passport. Nationality. Date of issue expiry. I'm just putting sample, but you provide correct information. This is for the applicant who you are going to sponsor. Okay. So make sure you understand the difference very carefully. Place of issue. I'll just this you can check in his passport. Of course, you are sponsoring someone, you should be aware. Does the applicant have an Australian grant from previous year? I select no. National ID card, I select no. Follow partial customer are required to provide details of okay, I'll say same. Let's try to go through it. Yeah. What should I do? So, just simple. Country of issue, India. Of course, format, but fine. Place of birth, applicant, New Delhi, oh, state, Delhi. Verify every information at least 2 times. Okay. That I have unknown by any other name, no. Citizenship, yeah. Any other country, no. Other passport travel, I select no, no. Whatever is obtained, other any document. Select no. Applicant want request permission to apply in Australia. Request permission for the visa outside unless approved. Okay, I select no. Maybe as per your case. Residential address. Okay. Phone number, email address. Okay. Fine. Country. I select India. Address. Provide correct address. Don't do like this. This is just sample. I select New Delhi. State Delhi. Contact phone. India's 10 digits, right? Postal address same. Email address. Warning. Correct. I just select yes. All these are sample details, guys. Second visa applicant, I select no. Source of income for sponsor. Main source, employment salary. Evidence testimony, notice of assessment. I select yes. Of course. So you need to provide that if you have filed taxes, but I'm selecting no. No tax filing. Don't do this. If you file taxes, definitely do. Child of visa applicant. Does the firm want to combine their taxes with another child? I select no. As for notice of assessment. Okay. Family violence. Has the sponsor ever been identified as residential? I select no. Okay. Next. Okay, now character declaration. Read this very carefully, and next you're going to submit and they're going to ask the document. You have seen that lot of vital piece of information. I just selected no, no, no because I wanted to walk you through. But when you apply, give correct information and correct like situation. Okay. So this was just a sample. That's why I did like this, but don't do like that. But anyway, you got an idea how to go through the process. And if approved, then your parent can apply. Of course, they're going to need the transaction reference number from you and other information in order to apply. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.